The Amazon Supremes.
Is it aluminum?
You bring me down like avalanche. You bring me down. I know you're stressed.
NT fairings.
It kind of looks like it's almost done with like a fucking silver Sharpie almost.
Yeah, right?
But I like it like a lot. The light looks like it's carbon.
Yeah, yeah, on camera it looks great. In person you can see up close. I like it better than black. And plus, I've never washed this and it's been like maybe like
I don't think you need to wash it.
it's been like 3 months, bro, and you can't even see dirt on it. Compared.
Yeah, I know exact color. That's part of that extra. Here's real carbon. Yeah. I gotta ask if there's so much fake carbon. I don't look at it now. You can tell when it's real, right?
Yeah.
It looks real. That's why
The texture and like the layer, the way it is.
Well, I tell by the reflection.
Yeah. You can see on the inside of this it's like painted.
No.
It's like this side isn't even, they didn't even do the gloss on the inside.
Oh, they tried it. But it's nice though. Well,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I thought this was carbon fiber. The camera be making it more different.
Weird fucking, oh, they went to go get gas?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be riding?
I think you wanted to go get some coolant.
Oh yeah.
Like 8?
You gonna be riding?
What?
You gonna be riding or you just go home?
I might ride, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm slow though, dude. 3-9.
We riding? Are we going?
Yeah, let's go. Call in, bro. Get the coolant.
Do you want me to just wait here or ride with you?
You can ride with.
Where are my zipper rolls? Alright, never mind.
You get it functioning properly?
Yes, sir. Everything all fitted up.
Y'all be.
Bro, just sit on these fucking fairings, bro. This shit feels so dumb in my backpack, bro.
Turn them around.
No, because then they'd stick out of the zipper.
They're like jumbled up. You can feel like it's getting in your back.
Yeah, it's going into my back.
Spinal. I have to give you a big back home.
Where is bro? Oh, yeah. You're gonna go get it and come back?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go do a loop and park over here then. They're like, we're gonna go ride to this place. Never mind, we're just gonna go solo. Okay. Put on all this stuff. What's up with your boy, man?
That's your homeboy now.
You're right, that's my twin now. Well, yeah, kind of.
Oh.
I think I ain't never.
Who, Jay?
Oh, is you going with him? That was Jay. That was Jay and home.
Yeah, Jay went with him.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm doing really well. Drop back. I want to hear that bitch close. Whoa. Yeah, I'm out. Right now, I'm sorry.
You saw what happened last time?
Yeah.
I want to know whatever happened to him. Did it ever actually like stick or not? Were you here for that?
For what?
Some dudes did some couple wheelies up there in the fucking cops.
Damn, I didn't know that.
Took their bikes and everything.
Damn.
They didn't want to talk to me, the cop. They told me to talk
That's
to me. Like, dude, you know it's private parking lot. And they're like, this is looks pretty public to me. And I was like, that sign says pretty private if you ask me up there.
Bro is cooking. Hey, are you okay? Are you okay?
You live that way.
Oh, the lights turn off when there's no.
Damn. Yes, sir. Yeah, you gotta get one of these GoPros, bro. A little action cam. Plug your Instagram.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got stickers too. Let's go. That's hard.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, bro.
Hey, what's up? Oh,
Nice to meet you. Ava. AV.
AV, Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. We got Crip walking out here, my boy. Yeah, but here, Brian out here chilling, bro. You about to pick up the blades?
Get on the blades. I'm gonna get the fruit.
Good. You'll have to rollerblade.
We have Fuel City, bro.
Every time I look away.
What is it? A push pin?
Yeah, I already checked it, man.
Right here.
Right there.
Yep. I'm proud of you, son.
Ah!
Woo! That shit spit.
Catch you later, man.
I haven't gone on a loop in a while. It's gonna be my first ride with my boy. Looking clean on the R6. Woo. A low battery. This is my first time doing this loop. That was a fucking fast ass loop. Brian hitting the wheelies. That was fast. That was cool. He's good at riding. As soon as we got on the highway and we did that like bend really fast, I was like, I'm gonna have to keep up.
On a car for a little bit.
He rides track a lot. Yo. not gonna try and do a wheelie right now. Got his ass again. God damn. Him. I came back for you, Pookie.
Are you leaving?
No.
Oh. Hey, that's an easy bike right there. That key?
You're an easy bike. That shit was fun.
Yeah, the cop kind of ruined our fun a little bit.
Yeah.
Had to ease up. Yeah, and that little expressway lane, like...
It's got some little twisties.
Yeah, there's a little turn at the end there.
Yeah.
At night, it's a little dicey. Like,
yeah.
Especially if you've never went on it before.
That's why I was kind of just chilling I was going a little with it.
Yeah.
There's a couple, like there was one time where it's like right over the crest, that bend kicks in.
Like right away.
Yeah, and I like kind of like, I just hit my brake before it. Because I didn't see over and I didn't know it yet.
Yeah, at night it's definitely a little dicey to go fast.
That's why I hit the Harry Potter Spectacle 3000s.